After 35, we lose collagen every year. Most skincare never reaches where wrinkles actually form. That's why I started using NIRA. Because wrinkles don't start on the surface, they start deeper in the skin. So if you're looking for an extra step to help boost collagen, soften the look of wrinkles, and improve overall skin appearance, this is where a device like this can really come in. This is the NIRA Pro 3 laser, a brand new release with hundreds of reviews and strong ratings. Yes, 4.5 stars and over 800 reviews, and this was just launched a couple of weeks ago. Isn't that amazing? What is the NIRA Pro 3 laser? It is an FDA-cleared, clinically proven, non-invasive device designed to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles by stimulating your skin's natural collagen production. Compared to LED devices, it's up to 200 times stronger, and I've been testing it on my own skin. And what are the main benefits? What I really like is that it's designed to give you professional level wrinkle reduction in just about 2 minutes a day. And I love that because all of us are busy, and 2 minutes a day is amazing. You can do this real quick, daily, and keep doing other stuff like watching a video or before you go to bed while you're watching TV. I like things that I can do quick for my self-care. It is pain-free, there's zero downtime, and is safe for all skin types. You can use it on your face, neck, chest, and even the back of your hands. And what's new in the Pro 3? This new Pro 3 version has some really nice upgrades. It comes with 9 comfort levels so you can personalize your treatment. It also has a silent vibration mode, which makes it more convenient to use anytime. And it has 75% more battery plus faster charging, so it's always ready to go. Pro Laser 2 versus Pro Laser 3 comparison. I also want to quickly talk about the difference between the Pro 2, which is this one, and the new Pro 3, because I know a lot of people are wondering about that. And these are the lasers, Pro 2, Pro 3, and as you can see, they look exactly the same. I was like, okay, if I put them side by side, I cannot tell which one is which one, only by turning them on, because one is programmed to vibrate and the other one isn't. But I'm going to give you more details about them. Both the NIRA Pro Laser 2 and the NIRA Pro 3 laser use the same laser technology and are designed to stimulate collagen and improve the appearance of wrinkles over time. So in terms of results, they're very similar. The biggest difference is really in the experience. The Pro 3 has more comfort levels, a silent vibration mode, a much stronger battery, and faster charging. So it just feels more customizable, more convenient, and easier to use consistently. And honestly, consistency is what really makes the difference with devices like this. So if you already have the Pro 2 and you're using it consistently, you're still getting great benefits. But if you're choosing between the two, the Pro 3 is definitely the more advanced, user-friendly option. How it works. The way this works is actually really interesting. Laser energy is naturally absorbed by water inside your skin cells. When that energy is absorbed, it creates controlled heat in the deeper layers of the skin, right where the collagen is. That heat helps stimulate your skin's natural collagen production over time. So instead of just working on the surface, it's helping support smoother, firmer looking skin from within. Why this is different, and that's what makes this such an interesting extra step in your routine. It's not just about temporary surface improvements, it's about supporting collagen over time. I like to think of it as a collagen banking step. I'm going to show you step by step how to use the device, how to use it on your face, and post-care as well. So I'm going to remove my makeup and I will be back with you to give you the step-by-step demonstration. I'm back, and as you can see, my face is clean. You need to have a clean face to treat your face with the NIRA Laser 3 Pro. So I'm going to show you how I use it step by step. First of all, you need to understand how to turn on and off the haptic vibration mode. First, you're going to turn on the device in this button over here. It is on. Then you're going to press for 4 seconds the power button until level 1 starts flashing. It's a green light. It's going to be a green light at the bottom over here. As you can see, it is flashing, and you're going to press and hold the power button again until the device vibrates. You see? Ready. Now you do not have sound, only vibration in your Pro Laser 3. And we're switching levels, as you can see. You see the lights? 1, 2. And those are the power levels, but just with vibration. You can switch it back again to sound, so you can hear the sound. When you're using the laser with the vibration mode, which is the mode that is right now, look what happens. And it vibrates. Now, if you want to switch it back to sound, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to turn it off. Okay? Turn it on again. It is on. Hold it for 4 seconds until level 1 starts flashing, which is doing it right now, as you can see. Press and hold. And now it is in sound mode. And when you're using it, instead of vibrating, you're going to be listening to the sound. Look. So you choose sound or just vibration. And if you want to put it back in vibration, same procedure, whatever mode you choose. First, I'm going to be using the sound, and then afterwards the vibration, so you can see how it looks. First, we are going to start with a clean, dry skin. And please make sure that it's dry, because I have had the experience of having my face a little bit humid. It feels a little bit stronger. So make sure that it's dry before starting using the laser. It's more comfortable. Then turn on the device and choose your comfort level. Let me show you. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can use this all over your face, neck, chest, and behind the hands, and even anywhere on your body. It's very gentle, and you can choose the level of comfort, the level of power that you want to use in any area of your body. It has a wide mouth for bigger areas. We have the precision one, which is this one. Let me show you. And this has a tiny tip, as you can see, for smaller areas, and I prefer to use this one for the eyes because besides that it's more precise, it is faster. You can do your eyes way quicker. Since it has multiple settings, you can adjust it depending on what feels best for you. You're going to place the device flat against the skin and treat one small area at a time. You want to make sure the device is fully touching the skin before triggering each pulse. In this case, it is automatic. You don't have to trigger anything. It does it by itself. Then you can go section by section, focusing on areas like under the eyes, smile lines, and forehead that I will say are my main concern. It feels like a quick, warm pulse. Okay, so let's get started. Turn on and start with level 1 on the area that you want to treat. Let me show you how I do it. 2 beeps. That's level 1, and when it's closer to the eye area, it feels a little bit hotter. And I will say one thing that I have learned with the use of the Pro 2, and I see that this is pretty similar, detach it and give it a little chance to breathe, so it doesn't have to turn on the fan too often. It has a fan for cooling, because then the treatment takes a little bit longer. So it's better if you detach, get air, and then put it back. And that way you will treat your face quicker. You test the waters, whatever you can resist. I try to go as high as possible to make the treatment more efficient. That's my thought. You can start low level and increase as you get used to it and tolerate it. So at least for this area of the cheeks, which is thicker, I like to raise the level to level 5. Level 5. And basically I completed that area. Let's do the other cheek with vibration only. I'm going to turn it off, turn it on, keep it pressed until level 1 flashes. It is flashing. Press it again, hold it. Now it's vibration mode. Level 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's try the thicker area over here with 5. Ooh, it's hot. It is spicy for the area. So I'm going to go to level 3. Okay, and if I want to get closer to the eyes, I prefer to go to level 1. That was very comfortable. This is priceless for crow's feet. Level 1 was very tolerable. I'm going to try level 2 on the other eye to see, which I didn't get too close to it. Yeah, 2 the most, I will say, under the eyes. So let's go again to level 3, 4, 5 and do the cheek area. Basically, I'm almost done. Just the forehead. I'm going to put it in sound again. Okay, now I have it back in sound mode, so you can hear the beeping sound as I use it. Remember to put it flat against the skin. That's level 1. I feel that it's too soft. Okay, let's go to 4. That's a level 4. I tolerate it very well. Let's go to 5. I'm doing double passes because I'm testing the waters. And yes, 5 works on the forehead, at least for me. Everybody's different. So flat against the forehead, the skin. Okay, we're done with the forehead, and we can use it also on the neck. Same way, you test to see your level of tolerance. I'm on level 5 on the neck. And as easy as that. As you saw, it is super easy to do. NIRA has an app that you can download, and it is called the NIRA Skin Analysis and Renewing app. You can get free rewards, take before and after photos, and track your progress. And the most interesting part is that you can have a skin analysis using your phone. Yes, and the app. And the AI skin analysis measures 11 different skincare concerns over time. Isn't that amazing? And you can customize your routine, refine your regimen with zone-specific tips. Super nice, I love that. This is not an overnight result kind of device. This is about building collagen over time. With consistent use, your skin can start looking smoother, firmer, and more refreshed. One thing that I have noticed is that after the consistent use, or any use, my skin tends to get a little bit dry, and for that I need to be using consistently day and night the NIRA Moisture Lock Serum and the Moisture Renewal Peptide Cream. They help a lot. And also another thing that I have noticed is that after this dryness and kind of dullness, you get better with the moisturizer and serum. But once you stop using the NIRA, about, I would say, 1 week, week and a half after, the sudden my skin looks so amazing with this natural glow, plumpness, and I was like, what am I doing different that my skin is looking so youthful? What am I doing different that my skin looks so good? When I realized, oh, okay, it's building collagen over time. My skin after the NIRA laser treatments was getting better. I was so amazed, I was so impressed. So guys, give it a chance. NIRA advises to use it at least for 90 days, and after those 90 days, wait a little bit of time to see your progress. You're building that collagen, which is not an overnight thing. I always say consistency is key. Give it a time and you will see how after the treatments, your skin by itself without the laser is going to start glowing and looking much better. So guys, I think this is a great option if you want something that goes beyond the surface, especially if you're focused on wrinkles, collagen support, and overall skin appearance. And if you're ready to experience NIRA, I'm going to leave you all the information in the description box below. Click on more to easily access them, and also I have a discount code for you, and it is my name, Vivian10 for 10% off your purchase at NIRA. And they also offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. I hope that this video was of help, and if you liked it, please give me a like, and also remember to subscribe to receive notifications of my new videos. I always post videos about products that are worth to have. Come back to see me soon.